So we're here today with Natalie. She's one of our registered insurance brokers of Ontario here at MB Curry Insurance. And she's just going to be talking to us a little bit today about the difference between auto add-ons for your trailer and regular trailer insurance that MB Curry Insurance offers as well. So Natalie, the first question we have for you is, are all trailer coverages the same within the insurance industry?
I cannot speak to all policies out there, but an auto policy only insures a trailer while on the road and being towed behind a vehicle. A trailer policy covers the trailer while it's parked in the park. An auto policy does not cover it while it's parked.
Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm not sure if a lot of people know that or not. Should people be adding their trailer to their auto policy then with that in mind?
Yes, many auto policies include the liability while it's being towed, but not while it's parked. So they should call their auto policy and make sure it's automatically covered or added on so that they have coverage when they're towing.
Why should someone make sure that the auto policy is involved with the travel trailer?
Because if they're sued during the while they're towing and they have an accident, then the auto policy will cover them and protect them from the lawsuit.
On one side, it is covered when you're towing it, but what if you have a trailer that's parked in a campground all the time, never moves?
Then you have to have a separate policy. The auto policy is not going to cover you for anything that might happen while it's parked in the park and detached from the vehicle.
Okay. Could you give me an example of what happened while it's parked that might not cover it?
Yeah, if there's a slip and fall, say on the deck or in the trailer, and the visitors may sue you for neglection, and so then the insurance company will address the lawsuit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So probably good to have then.
Yeah.
So why should someone obtain insurance for their trailer then?
Most campgrounds require you to have $2 million liability and to protect you from the slip and fall accidents. The insurance company will provide the coverage. And besides the liability, the physical damage from fire and lightning and hail and wind and falling objects, burglary and vandalism are also covered in our policy.
So besides the liability then, I know you kind of already touched on some physical damage, but what are the two types of policies provided by MB Curry Insurance and what do they contain?
Okay, we have the travel trailers, which would be for people who travel during the summer from park to park. And it covers when you park the trailer and detach it, then you have liability coverage. And while it's on the road, the liability is covered under your auto, but you should make sure. And then the second policy we have is a park model policy, and that covers the liability and physical damage while it's parked in a park and never moves. And the premium's a little less for that policy than a travel trailer because the risk is higher when it's on the road.
Right.
Policies also cover your deck and your awning, and if you have a golf cart, that's covered in the park model trailers.
And is that something that other insurance brokers and companies cover in terms of trailer insurance that actually offer it? They cover
I'm
decks
not sure if they cover golf carts when they're not on a golf course, but our coverages do. The deck, and then of course the awning for the travel policy and the park policy are covered.
Thanks for chatting with us today, Natalie, and giving us some more information about trailer coverages and whether or not to have a trailer policy or to consider an add-on your policy for your auto.